Morning, my dear students. Students, I hope all of you are just fit and fine at your home along with your family members. So, students, here I am your science teacher, Mrs. Aarti Negi, and today we are going to learn about a very unique topic. Our topic, I will tell you after some time. So students, as you are seeing here, that here I have put some food materials. Already you have gathered the knowledge that there are different types of food that we used to eat in our daily diet. Some are the energy giving food like carbohydrate and protein. Some are the body building food like protein. Some are the protective food like vitamins and minerals. So we used to take these kind of food materials throughout a day in our life to get energy. Yes, the main thing is energy that we get from the food. Now students, that energy we use to our daily work in our various activities like reading, writing, playing, walking, jogging. So for all kind of things we need energy, and energy we get from our food material. So to remain fit, healthy, active throughout our life, we need food. So for having food, we must know there are some rules, some etiquettes, some manners that we should follow while having our food. So that's it. Our today's topic is the table manners. Yes, or you can say the dining table etiquettes that you must know and you must follow in your daily life while having breakfast, lunch and dinner, so that the food material that you are having will give you energy to do your various work. So let's start students with our topic, that is table manners. So let's move with our rule number 1, that is always wash your hand with a soap or with a properly for the at least 2 minutes. So it is very important to wash your hands properly before having your meal, and then make your hands wet dry. This is the first rule before having your food. Every time just wash your hands properly before having your food. Now, the rule number 2 for our table manner is that sit properly with your back straight and in a relaxed manner, so that the food will go in your body easily and the digestion process starts quickly. And don't put your elbows on the table while having your food. Instead, put them on your lap, or never lean down towards your food. Just sit straight, properly and in a relaxed manner. So just before having your food, sit down normally in a relaxed manner and let your body will prepare for the having food. Now let's move to rule number 3, and that is very important rule. So our rule number 3 is always keep a napkin with you while having your food and spread this napkin on your lap, so that the food that is falling, the food that will accidentally fell down in your lap will not ruin your clothes. That will fall on the napkin only, and your clothes will remain protected. It is not considered a good idea to put the napkin around your neck. This is not at all a good idea. Always put it on your lap. Yes, now let's move students to our next rule. That is rule number 4. Yes, and it is a very important rule for you. Always have your food by spoon or a fork. Whatever kind of food material, whatever food material you are having, you are going to have, just select the utensil. Either use a spoon or a fork. And yes, never touch your food with your dirty or untidy hands. So that's why if you are required to have your food by your hand, like while having chapati or a bread, your hand must be cleaned. So just try to have your food with the help of spoon or a fork. So these were our rules, number 1, number 2 and number 3. Now students, let's move to our rule number 5. That is a very important rule. Never have your food directly from the bowl. And never make such sounds while having your food. This is not at all a good idea. Never and ever have your food directly from the bowl. Instead, use a spoon for having your food. Just lean towards your food slightly and slowly have your food with the help of spoon. Okay student, so while having your food, don't make noises like slippery noises or slippery sounds of having food. It will not show a good manner among the other people who are sitting with you. So your food silently without making any noise. Students, let's move to our next rule, that is rule number 6. So our rule number 6 says that never talk while you are having your food material. So just whenever you are taking your food, just have your food, chew it properly, swallow your food, then you can speak. If in between it is necessary to talk something or to give answer to someone, you can use your hand signals. After swallowing your food completely, keep your mouth empty, then you can speak. But students, never and ever speak whenever you are having your food, whenever the food is in your mouth, because it may lead to various problems to you, like food may go into your windpipe and which may cause a sudden hiccups or a cough to you. So never speak or never talk while you are chewing your food. And yes, it is very important to close your lips while chewing your food. Never keep your mouth open whenever you are chewing your food. It will represent a bad manner to the person who is sitting next to you about yourself. So always have your food, always chew your food properly before swallowing, but keep your lips closed. Keep it in your mind. Whenever having your food, keep your lips closed. Now students, let's move to our next rule, that is rule number 7. This rule says that if you need anything that is present on the table, just like this salt, you just don't try to reach by your own. So it may lead to many problems to you. Food may spill around on the table. Instead, you can ask for the help from some other person who is having food with you, so that it will be easier for you to get the things on the table.
Thank you.
And yes, always say thanks who is helping you on the table. And then you can use that salt in your food material. So it is better to ask for a help instead of ruin anything present on the table. Now let's move to our next rule, that is rule number 8. This rule says that always keep a glass of water with you while having your food, because if sometimes the situation may arise that food stuck on in your neck, so a sip of water will help you. So always keep a glass of water with you while having your food. Now let's move to our next rule, that is rule number 9. So by following this rule says that never watch television or a mobile phone while having your food, because it will lead you to many problems in your body. Because if you are having your food by your hands, then your hands might get dirty by the use of mobile, because mobile phone screens or a television leads to distraction from your food, and this is not at all good for your digestion process. So whenever you are having your food, never watch television or a mobile phone. Just concentrate on your food only, so that the food will give you best results in the form of energy. Next rule for while having our food in our dining table is rule number 10. Yes, this is the final rule, and this rule says while having your food with some other people, like with your family members or with your friends, and if your food is finished, means you are done, so wait for your friends or your family members till the time they will finish their food. Don't just stand up from there. This will show a bad effect among these people. And if you are in a hurry, or you want to go to a washroom, or you want to leave the table, then you can say, "Excuse me," and then you can get up from the table. And students, always thanks or compliment the person who cooked food for you, because after all, they have put lot of hard work, lot of efforts for making food for you. So it is a very good gesture, or you can say it is a very good effort from your side to show the gratitude to your mother or to your cook, to your chef, whosoever have cooked food for you. Always say thank you, or say a delicious food or a very good food to the person who have cooked that food material for you. And in the end, always try to help your mother or your family members to clean the table, because it is a very good help from your side to your parents or to your mother. So students, these were some table etiquettes, table manners that you must follow always in your life. This will reflect your good behavior, your good manner among the people with whom you are having or you are going to have your food, either with your family members or with your relatives or with your friends. So do follow these rules while having your food every time, even in a breakfast, in a dinner, in a lunch, every time. So it will make you a good person. Now that's it for today. I think this session of today's class will be very informative to you. You must have gathered many knowledge related to this topic, that is good table manners. That's it for today. Keep learning, students. Keep watching all your videos all the day. Thank you. Now students, there is a homework for you related to our table etiquettes, that you will have to decorate your dining table and just sit down there with your family members and just click a photo and then send it to me in this mail ID. And the mail ID is vbbshakarpuronlineclasses@gmail.com. And yes, just do mention your name along with your class and section. Okay, click your picture with your beautifully decorated dining table with your family members, click your photo and send it to me along with your name, class and section to this mail ID vbbshakarpuronlineclasses@gmail.com.